So Bilal writes about football and I yap about football. So we decided why not make a podcast out of it. So this is a podcast about predicting the group stages and then the knockouts and then eventually the final and the eventual champions of this World Cup. Okay. I do think so कि our predictions would be right. On a side note, recording करते वक्त मेरे माइंड में कुछ issues आए थे, इसकी वजह से first 10 minutes of the podcast from my side are a bit unclear. So sorry for that. Enjoy the experience.
ग्रुप ए के अंदर अभी तक हमारे जो रिजल्ट आ चुके हैं इट्स 12th of June एंड मैक्सिको अपना पहला मैच जीत लिया. व्हाट अ गेम फॉर देम. लाइक राहुल हिमेनेस को 2020 के अंदर एक करियर एंडिंग स्पेल इंजरी हुई एंड ही स्कोर्ड अ हेडर इन द एंड. द मैच
was a very emotional moment for him.
एंड पूरा मैच एक मैसी था. देयर वर 3 रेड कार्ड्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड कप ओपनिंग गेम जो आज तक किसी वर्ल्ड कप ओपनिंग गेम नहीं हुआ.
Which is just one less than within the whole amount of red cards in 2022 or 2018 World Cups. Which had 4 in the entirety of them.
और हम साउथ कोरिया की बात करें. साउथ कोरिया ने कमबैक किया है from Czech when they were
Yes.
down 1-0. Mexico playing on their home soil till round of 32 or round of 16. See Mexico going deep in the tournament. अगर आप देखें जिल्बर्टो मोरा करके जो यंगस्टर हैं, South Africa is not going past group stage anytime soon.
I think a lot of South African fans were disappointed with how their coach set them up to play. It felt negative to them. They were trying to play long ball even though they are clearly not suited for it. Let's talk about the Czech Republic. They tried to play very physically. They tried to keep the ball in the air. It's a bit like you were watching the Premier League last season, and obviously they scored from a long throw. With Sofal throwing it in and Pritchie, their captain, scoring from directly. So South Korea played well and they deserved their win. But Czechia had their own style. They were very physical. Probably South Korea should finish second.
Yeah, I do believe so that South Korea could finish second because उन्होंने चेकिया को बहुत आसानी से हरा दिया एक तरीके से कम बैक करके. It was pretty inspirational for them as well. South Africa is clearly getting out of this group and I could see maybe Czechia getting a third place finish and decent enough GD to progress onto the stage. Now moving on to the next group.
और ग्रुप डी में हम जाते हुए देखें तो कनाडा अनदर होस्ट स्टेशन, वो भी अपने राउंड ऑफ 32 तक के मैचेस होम पे ही खेल रहे हैं ऑन होम सॉइल. फुटबॉल की बात है तो मार्क का जो सिस्टम है 4-4-2 का, उसके अंदर अप टॉप देयर वुड बी जॉनथन डेविड एंड यारेन प्लेइंग अप टॉप. There's a young prodigy from La Liga who's playing at the right wing of I guess Villarreal. वो up there to look out for है. Alphonso Davies still we could not say कि वो अभी तक fit है ना आके खेलेगा कनाडा के लिए. So I do think so कि they should top this group.
So and now we have Switzerland, a big name in this group. They have their captain Granit Xhaka, as we all know, who had a phenomenal season as the captain of Sunderland. Gregor Kobel is making his big tournament debut after he ends so much retirement. We have Darren Roy of Nottingham Forest. They have Breel Mbolo up front. They have a strong midfield. So I think Switzerland should comfortably top this group. It would be a major surprise if they don't.
अब जो कतर की बात है, signed Lopetegui and Madrid का manager, though his tenure Madrid wasn't that great, and Qatar lost to Jordan, in their preparation for the World Cup. Jordan का पहला World Cup, and Qatar has been back into the second World Cup. And last World Cup इन्होंने disappoint किया था. I don't think so. कुछ कर पाएंगे. I do think so कि they will be in the bottom of this group. I do think so Switzerland could easily top up. And Bosnia from like what they did to Italy, like to the wire लेके गए and defeated them on penalties.
And then on penalties.
Yeah. So Bosnia is a dirty team जो लिखा है. Edin Dzeko is a guy made for Bosnia. Number 1 पे कौन सी team है?
Number 1 Switzerland. I would just edge towards Canada because they have home advantage. They will be playing the games in Toronto.
And third Bosnia and obviously fourth.
Bosnia Bosnia could still qualify as one of the best third place teams. And this could go either way, but we will just go towards Canada because of the home advantage.
To defend the balls.
It could still work for them.
Group C को देखते हुए, it's quite easy to do, but the top 2 teams है उनकी जो पहला मैच है वही decide करेगा.
It could decide who finishes top and who finishes second.
Yeah.
Possibly. Morocco have now lost 2 of their important players in Abdel Zuli and I think Nelf Aguerd. Mazraoui is also struggling with injury.
Neymar is out for Brazil.
I think Neymar is also out for the first game.
Yeah.
Out for the second game as well. And I think Brazil उसके बगैर भी they should comfortably beat Haiti. and probably should still beat Scotland.
Yep. I do think so because अपने आपके Americas नहीं है, so it would be very easy for Brazil to do it.
I think they should be finishing first.
Yeah, and Morocco, I do think so because Scotland have the edge to do it, but the collectiveness shown by
I think collectiveness showed by Morocco.
yeah,
Yeah, I think they should
AFCON is
be able to finish second.
Yep.
Yep.
The alleged AFCON
For, like the legal winners are still are Morocco, even if they might have not lifted a trophy in Rabat.
But this is a bit of different, Morocco team. Like last year, the World
Yep.
Cup था उसके अंदर Enesiri was that guy up top, and this time is Tahim's time.
Yes.
He's a talisman. And the coach-
There's no Roman Saiz this time.
Yeah. Mohammad Wahabi, I guess, is the coach of who was the coach of the under-20 team which won the World Cup. So he knows how to win in these tournaments. I don't think so that Morocco could easily finish second, but उसके बाद उनके थोड़ा path लग रहा है, they don't have that underdog label because of proof that can last.
People now have expectations from them. People expect them to win. People expect them to beat other teams. I think if they meet Dutch in the round of 32, it would be a tough game. That could go either way. But if Dutch beat them, it would still be disappointing for Morocco to only reach round 32. It would be a big disappointment, I believe. I think Morocco would finish second, Scotland third. Scotland with Robertson, Tierney, McGinn, McTominay, of course.
I do believe Turkey top करेगी because उनके पास squad depth and everything में वो बहुत superior than other teams in this group.
I think they probably will. I only see USA as the strongest opposition to stop them because of the home advantage. Paraguay could still do something because they had a good decent qualification campaign with Miguel Almiron and others. But I think Turkey should have enough to top the group, probably.
The higher altitude could benefit Paraguay in this World Cup.
Yep, that will be an advantage for them. I think they have Julian Enciso as well.
And Enciso was my breakthrough star for the World Cup, but he got injured.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and his ligament tore.
Oh, that's sad.
So I don't think so कि अब Paraguay के पास वो number 10 में creativity है
Yep.
जो उनके पास पहले थी, and they will struggle a bit more. Turkey have firepower overall: Yilmaz, Akhtar Koglu, the likes of Kenan Yildiz, and the prodigy of Madrid as well.
Arda Güler, Kenan Yildiz, Hakan Çalhanoğlu.
The defense is a bit of
It's a bit shaky.
yeah. Turkey ka defense is like not that great, and they need to step up in their game for the World Cup. खैर यहाँ तक USA की बात है, I don't think so कि उनके पास bang average squad है, and Pochettino is not of a great manager, so I don't think so unless they prove us all wrong. I don't think so कि वो first finish कर रहे हैं. Like, what's your opinion on who's trying to finish first? I do think so कि Turkey can finally break the curse and finish first.
I think as a nation, Turkey expect to top the group. I think so.
I would make US finish second just for the game against Iran in like round of.
I think everyone wants that.
Yeah, I think everyone wants that because of the whole war situation. अभी तक जर्मनी से वो कर्ज लिफ्ट नहीं हुआ ना, winning the World Cup and bottling group
I think they haven't progressed from the group stages after winning it 2014, right?
जर्मनी का हिसाब काफ़ी बैलेंस स्क्वाड है. Like you could say the center back pairing of Rudiger or Jonathan Tah, even Slaughterback could slide in. They have a pretty good midfield of Kimmich, Goretzka, again Pavlovic, and they can progress a lot because they have the likes of Musiala, Wirtz. I hope they both stay fit for the German squad. They both can operate in the half spaces created by, you could say, Kai Havertz, who is very great in the big matches, and I do think so he can wield the golden boot of this tournament as well. Like, he is up top at part of scoring at least 5 goals. I could see him in the World Cup if Germany progresses to the quarterfinals. I hope they do, and I do feel like this would be a different World Cup. They have Voltemada coming off the bench as well, and Dennis Undav, but a decent season with Stuttgart. He scored like 20 something goals, and मुझे लगता है कि जर्मनी काफ़ी आगे प्रोग्रेस करेगी. And moving on to Cote d'Ivoire, like Ivory Coast, Diomande, Diallo, I do think so they will edge over. Like, even they beat France, जिनकी पूरी team थी एक, so and they played the whole lineup in the friendlies, and I do think so okay, they have a chance of surviving this group as well.
Ecuador are very solid defensively. They have Estupinian. They have William Facho. Just recently won the Champions League with PSG. a solid rock at the back. They have Peter Hincapié, who just won the Premier League with Arsenal, and they have, of course, the Moises Caicedo, their linchpin in midfield, and they have a very rock solid defense. Keep some clean sheets, so they are a good team, and they could potentially finish second. Ivory Coast have some very talented players. They could cause an upset. It's between Ecuador and Ivory Coast for the second spot, I think.
But I don't think so. Ivory Coast के पास ना वो ज़्यादा fire power है front than Ecuador, because Ecuador creativity इतनी possess नहीं करती, you know. And I don't think so कि World Cup के अंदर attack recently and the editions of World Cup attack has been a bit more beneficial than, you know, the defensive, because the defensive पूरी astute team थी like Germany didn't do well in the last two editions of, you know, World Cup. They had a solid back line overall. I don't think so that Germany will top. Like, it's time Germany disappoint nahi kar rahe. And Ivory Coast could be second, and aapki third Ecuador. Now moving on to the Group F.
Group F is a very open group.
Balanced group है. And I do think so that Dutch को बहुत ऐसे से dark horses, you know, last tournament की dark horses होंगे. So they kind of did against, you know, उन्होंने अर्जेंटीना के खिलाफ कर दिया था तकरीबन ही comeback पर, अगर वो पेनल्टीज पे ना हारते.
And they have a good team. Reinders, Frankie de Jong.
Back भी खेल सकते हैं ना, with win backs like जो Dutch की actual रही है.
It probably will be a back three in possession, with Dumfries bombing forward and Van de Ven ducking in to form a back three. I think it will be that in possession. Without the ball, it will probably still be a back four.
Yeah, I do believe Japan could be a trouble for Netherlands. Like the amount of firepower they have up top, they could, you know, challenge the Dutch. Players like Nakamura, Takefusa Kubo, who always, you know, shows that they were intimated when he plays for Sociedad. That could be a. Ironically, the Dutch league top scorer for Feyenoord is a Japanese player as well. So they have a proper lethal number 9 up top as well, and they could trouble Netherlands. But
Japan could make an upset, but we will probably stick with the Dutch. Japan should still finish it. With Kubo and everyone, they are a proper team.
स्वीडन के बारे में बात करते हुए, स्वीडन का अटैक इज लाइक रियली गुड, बट दे नीड टू स्टेप अप लाइक Gyökeres and Isak for you know स्वीडन नहीं कर रहा है. ग्रैम पॉटर इज ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड समथिंग, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो वो सक्सेसफुल हो पाएगा. देयर डिफेंस इज वेरी पोरस, लाइक द मिडफील्ड इज ओनली Bergwall over there, so I don't think so they have that depth in the midfield as well. And up top Kulusevski injured है, you don't know Elanga shows up or not.
Yeah. Maybe Sweden get a point or like make it tough for Japan or Netherlands, but I see it very tough for them to go through.
Moving on to Group G, I do believe कि Belgium को काफ़ी disrespect मिली है for their past of golden generation जो fail करी थी, but I do believe that this is a new Belgium side. Lukaku is up top, De Bruyne is still over there, Courtois is still saving, and the attacks like of Charles de Ketelaere, Trossard is up there. They could, you know, do something for Belgium, and the infamous Doku, who's pulling it out for City, could be a threat as well up top.
Yeah, Doku is a massive threat. Doku is in form. He had a very good end to the Premier League season with Manchester City, and he will be a big threat. So Belgium first. It's very tricky. I think it's between Egypt and Iran. It could still be New Zealand. I'm not like cutting them off totally, but I think it will probably boil down to between Egypt and Iran. Campaign, of course, Chris Wood. They have New Zealand. If Egypt are to go second, Salah or Mamouche would have played a key role.
ग्रुप एच के अंदर हम जा रहे हैं. हम 11 मिनट के अंदर तकरीबन 10-11 मिनट में कर चुके हैं 3 ग्रुप. खैर अब ग्रुप एच के अंदर स्पेन बहुत आसान ग्रुप है. स्पेन की स्क्वाड के बारे में कुछ बात करने
Spain should top the group.
They are probably the youngest.
The name speaks for itself. Yamal, William,
the balance is like, yeah.
Balance is superb.
दो उनके डिफेंस के अंदर ऑप्शंस कम है, and they could have picked some experience. They have a bit of, you know, shaky, but offensively they
group stage should be comfortable for them.
Like, Spain का recently like they will outscore, like France scored 4 goals against them, उन्होंने 5 मारे, you know, in the Nations League. So they have that knack of, you know, outscoring the teams like a proper system team. Just, I don't think so Spain, and I don't think so कि उन्हें राया को खिलाना चाहिए at the goal, but वो personal.
But their coach favors Unai Simon, and it will probably remain that way unless Simon commits a major blunder.
और Simon करता है हर वर्ल्ड कप के अंदर, and Simon को सिर्फ ट्रस्ट इसलिए करते हैं अंडर 16 से Simon ने किया है ना, अंडर De La Fuente. टॉपिंग द वर्ल्ड कप ने 2 ड्रॉप किया लुइस सुआरेज को. उसने वो प्लेयर्स जो एक हाई प्रेसिंग टीम होती है ना, उरुग्वे जो एक डर्टी गेम
Yep.
खेलती है, तो
Needs energy, like a relentless style of play, like which optimizes their captain, Fede Valverde, is the best at it.
अर्जेंटीना तो डाउन द नेक बिल्कुल लाइक चले गए थे, पेनल्टीज पे बाहर हुए थे, एंड वेलवेट स्कोर्ड द पेनल्टी एज वेल, सो दे लॉस्ट सम पेनल्टीज इन कोपा अमेरिका टू अर्जेंटीना, सो यूरुग्वे कैन बी अ थ्रेट. खैर यूरुग्वे सेकंड एंड केप वर्डे फोर्थ. ग्रुप के अंदर दो सबसे ज्यादा बैलेंस्ड और सबसे ज्यादा टैग टीम है. लाइक सेनेगल की टीम को लोग इतना नहीं जानते नॉन फुटबॉल फैंस. सेनेगल की टीम के अंदर बैलेंस है.
And it's a very good team.
Yep. And the reason they
a
are
very good team.
alleged AFCON champions as well. Sadio Mane still leading, Senegal and
Minus Ilman and Pep Medasar. They have more. Koulibaly at the back, Edward Mendy in goal.
Norway. अब नॉर्वे की बात करते हुए a lot of people are saying कि नॉर्वे का जो है कि वो आपके ना अंडर बहुत ही लो टेम्परेचर्स पे खेलते हैं. तो वर्ल्ड कप इज इन अमेरिका, वहाँ पे हीट बहुत होगी. बट अगर देखी गई हो अभी तक प्रेप पीरियड्स के अंदर सारे नॉर्वे के प्लेयर्स जो है ना पिच पे बैठ के अपने आप को सुखा रहे हैं पसीना, बिकॉज उनके लिए बहुत हीट है. बट द एक्चुअल पोर्ट्रेयल इज कि नॉर्वे ने साल तक प्रेपरेशन करी है इस वर्ल्ड कप के लिए ना, उनके स्काउट्स और सब कुछ जाके कि वो देख सकेंगे
They even have brought some meat and some like food with them, so that players can feel at home. जब घर से दूर भी उनको घर लगे. The way that their team photo, it all looks so aesthetically pleasant.
वो तो है. एंड हालैंड वाज लाइक ऑन लाइक बीस्ट मोड विद नॉर्वे, लाइक 25 से ज्यादा उसके गोल कंट्रीब्यूशन थे.
Holland, Solot, Odegaard, Musa.
Yep. I don't think so कि अगर फ्रांस अगर टॉप करती भी है एंड still they have a very difficult path आगे बढ़ते हुए. But they should, because France
are very tough. France, so they should. It should be disappointing for them if they don't.
Mbappe even
they are stacked.
अगर मैं एक गोल भी ना मारूं,
but France wins the World Cup, I'll sign for it.
And I don't think so कि Mbappe will be the main guy again. Like Olise could be. I don't think so Dembele अभी तक वो ना टेक्निकली फिट हो सका है अभी तक ना आपकी ना सिस्टम में.
I think Olise is more suited, but still Mbappe is usually Mbappe at the World Cup, so let's see.
Yeah, and he will break. I don't think so वो ग्रुप स्टेज में भी रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक कर रहा है मिरोस्लाव क्लोजे का.
Yeah, he could. I also think Norway will finish second, but it could go either way. Like Senegal could easily finish second and Norway third. It depends on the match between those two and how the match between them and France goes. Like even if both lose, by which margin they lose, or by which margin they beat Iraq, assuming all beat Iraq. So let's see. It could go either way. Yeah, they are the world champions. They should be. Let's go Austria. That could be one of Austria, Algeria too. Austria just because of the better system. All they need is just one moment of magic and some defensive solidity. I think Portugal first and Colombia second. Uzbekistan third and DR Congo fourth. I don't think DR Congo will beat either team. Croatia are like they know how to get a result at the World Cups. They grind the result out. England first, Croatia second, Ghana third, and Panama fourth. Yeah, we didn't mention Ghana, but Ghana have some good players. I think they have Inaki Williams. They have Antel Semenyo. We could go Panama third.
हम जो ग्रुप्स में से बाहर कर रहे हैं, जो टीम्स नहीं क्वालिफाई कर रही, तो रीजन आई थिंक चेक रिपब्लिक नहीं आगे क्वालिफाई कर पाएगी बिकॉज वो पहला गेम हार चुके हैं अगेंस्ट साउथ कोरिया, व्हिच दे कुड हैव ड्रू इजीली. अगर वो सऊदी अरब का ग्रुप इज अ बिट डिफिकल्ट, ओनली टीम दे आर विनिंग अगेंस्ट इज Cape Verde, which is an equivalent team to Saudi Arab.
I think Sweden have a tricky assignment against Netherlands and Japan. They're probably not going to win either one of those games. Might go close, but they could possibly beat Tunisia. But we think that game will probably be a draw. So we don't think Sweden will have enough to go through as one of the best third place teams. Same goes for Panama. They have England and Croatia. England could beat them comfortably. With Croatia it could be a narrow defeat, but then that leaves that they will probably only end up with 3 points. And
against Ghana,
given all the other teams, and that game is against Ghana. So we don't think that will that win will be it's an equivalent team, so we don't think that win will possibly like be by a bigger margin, so they'll probably miss out.
अच्छा, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेज में एक पॉइंट क्लेरिफाई कर दूं कि जो ये आपके ब्रैकेट्स है, दे आर बेस्ड ऑन इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप के जो स्टेजेस हैं, इसके ऊपर ये टीम नहीं कि कौन सी टीम बेहतर है और कौन सी टीम वो है, हमने उसके मुताबिक बताया है कि कौन से ग्रुप्स कितने टफ हैं फॉर टीम्स टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट. मूविंग ऑन टू द नॉकआउट राउंड्स, हमारा पहला इज जर्मनी स्कॉटलैंड. प्रीटी इजी, वी ऑल नो कि जर्मनी जीत रही है. लाइक हमने पहले डिस्कस कर लिया जर्मनी और स्कॉटलैंड की स्पॉट को.
I mean, Scotland have Andy Robertson as the captain, but it will probably be tough for them.
It will be quite emotional, but I don't think so. Germany is fumbling. Like अगर ग्रुप से हारने के लिए they are going somewhere. France Paraguay steam over करेगी France easily. Moving on to South Korea, Canada. This is a game to win.
This could go either way. This is a very good game. This could go either way. But so with Canada without home advantage, and if South Korea play the way they played against Czech Republic, I think they will have the edge and they will go through.
Believe that South Korea कर सकती है. An upset over here.
I think South Korea.
Netherlands, Morocco.
Okay.
It's over for the underdogs जो हमारे थे एक टाइम तक. Morocco, Netherlands are not getting defeated by Morocco. Recent injuries of अगर Morocco नहीं होती तो I could have picked up Morocco, but still Netherlands have a overall elite manager and squad as well, and they can they will be the dark horses of this World Cup. Like I think so कि ये मैच एक मिनट कर लूँगा. ये मैच
Okay.
अब जापान ब्राजील के अंदर दो जापान कैन हर्ट ब्राजील बिकॉज जापान के पास बहुत अच्छे विंगर्स हैं जो एक्सप्लॉइट कर सकते हैं ब्राजील के लैक ऑफ फुल बैक्स. डनीलो एंड लाइक एलेक्सेंड्रो एट द एज ऑफ 30+ दे आर प्लेइंग. एंड जापान के पास मिनामिनो आपके जो उनके स्ट्राइकर हैं वो टॉप स्कोरर ऑफ डच लीग एज वेल. एंड Fukushima, we all know how always and providing.
Japan have a good all-rounder team.
उनका प्रोजेक्ट भी बहुत अच्छा रहा है, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो कि कार्लो विल स्टार्ट टू क्लिक इवन इफ द ग्रुप स्टेज एंड्स अप इन अ ड्रॉ अगेंस्ट मोरक्को, बट ही विल स्टार्ट डू समथिंग इन द बिकॉज़ कार्लो एक है नॉकआउट मैनेजर एंड ही हैज द एज ओवर other managers.
Brazil's firepower should be able to get it done and avoid another disappointment.
यहाँ पे अटैक वर्सेस अटैक against Ivory Coast and Norway, and I do think that Norway has more clinical attack.
Yeah, Norway is probably a better all-rounder team.
Mexico Ecuador होगा भाई मैच देखने का.
Neither team is conceding many goals.
Ecuador तो कर ही नहीं रही ना. Ecuador तो ताला लगा के रख रही है, वो तो आने नहीं दे रहे. Mexico City में है मैच, so home advantage.
I think this could even go down to penalties.
But I do think so कि Mexico will get the edge because Mexico के home पे है ना. जब तक home पे तब तक Mexico I do think so कि they are winning ना. So Mexico and England Uzbekistan हमें
England. I think based on recent form, based on paper overall better team, I think Colombia should manage to get edge over Croatia. But not ruling out Croatia, they could always surprise us. And whenever we doubt them, they find a way out.
Looking forward to it. I want it to happen because ये बिल्कुल contrary beliefs है ना. एक possession based है और एक बिल्कुल counter pressing team है जो आपको बॉल रखने नहीं देगी. Like probably
they are very good pressing team.
Yep.
They are very good pressing team.
I do believe ये Spain जो है thrash कर सकती है इस गेम में Austria को. So yeah, Spain.
And Bosnia are a more experienced team. They will play a more physical brand of football. But Turkey probably should do enough. I think Belgium should get through to the next round.
Uruguay versus Argentina एक काफी anti football match हो सकता है. So
yeah, if the Uruguay take it to penalties, but then we will be robbed of our Argentina versus Portugal in the quarterfinals, and I don't want that to happen. But taking that aside, I think an upset could happen, but the world champions should find a way.
So we curated the draw for this game, like second finish कराना ईरान को and second USA को, ताकि हम ये गेम देख सकें. And I do believe referee favors होंगे काफ़ी इस गेम के अंदर, and USA will prevail through Iran. But I do want Iran to fight, and never know कि 45 minutes बाद ईरान के players pitch पे आ सके या ना आ सके, and what happens in the aftermath of this,
anything could happen. The home advantage will help USA. President. It should get past it.
Portugal versus Senegal, I do believe that Portugal could easily win this and Ronaldo को अपना पहला knockout goal मिल सकता है.
So, both are very good teams, but I think Portugal should have. Like, they should find a way.
जर्मनी के पास जो अप फ्रंट जो एक वो है ना फायर पावर जो लैक कर दी जर्मनी को, इस मैच में आपको नजर आएगी द शेयर डिफरेंस बिटवीन यू नो फ्रांस की डेप्थ ऑफ अटैक. फ्रांस आगे.
So South Korea, Netherlands. South Korea are a good team, but I think Netherlands should win this tight game. Maybe a 2-1 to the Dutch.
This could go either way because Norway का जो अटैक है that could hurt Brazil के डिफेंस. Ronaldo has always you know overcome odds उसके mostly उसमें ना. अब
Ronaldo raising his eyebrow.
Yep. And delivering the magic with Entek coming off and scoring a brace. You never know, buddy. Scoring the header while being the shortest guy on the pitch. Again,
Mexico with their home advantage could make it very tough for England. I think this could be one of the toughest games England faced. But with Tuchel's record in the knockouts and England's sheer depth and England's quality, I think their quality will shine through, and the Three Lions will find a way to progress to the next round.
मैच मेक और ब्रेक होगा बिकॉज यहाँ से आपका ना टूकल स्पिरिट आएगा टीम के अंदर. अगर टूकल इसमें निकाल लेता है रिजल्ट तो दे विल बिलीव यू नो बिकॉज मैक्सिको सिटी में अगेंस्ट मैक्सिको ग्राउंड लाइक उनका आखिरी
This will be a very tough.
दे हैव टू स्टेप अप. इंग्लैंड को
Mexico will give
करना
their
पड़ेगा. आई डू बिलीव कि बेलिंगम कुड बी द गाय ना बिकॉज वो फिजिकलिटी जो मैक्सिको ब्रिंग करती है बेलिंगम कैन यू नो काइंड ऑफ मीट दैट. एंड आई डू थिंक सो कि इंग्लैंड
They will need different makers. Different
बहुत
makers.
इंपॉर्टेंट होगा बेलिंगम का ना टर्न अप करना फाइनली.
This could go down to this could even go down to penalties and extra time. But I'm backing Spain.
Game of you know the two alleged dark horses or you know a golden generation versus the upcoming you know the golden generation of Turkey. I do believe कि Belgium should be able to win this and you know वो जो एक उनके ऊपर है कि फंबल कर जाते हैं but मुझे क्यों वाइब आ रही है कि Turkey will you know finally act up and you know get into the shape to even you know
Turkey's younger generation will break the hearts of Belgium.
I do believe that
Yes.
this would be a game for Arda Güler. He will dictate that you know the heir to probably a Kevin De Bruyne or someone. Like he is the next you know playmaker of the generation. So I do believe that United States Pochettino against Argentina. I don't think so कि वो कुछ कर पा रहा है. Kedoni is a winner and
I think the world champions.
Now Portugal versus Switzerland, ये लास्ट वर्ल्ड कप में हो चुका है. Portugal won the 6-1. Gonzalo Ramos ने हैट्रिक मारी थी and Ronaldo bench हुआ था and then they eventually lost to Morocco. So I do believe Ronaldo will score his first goal either here.
so the Switzerland team is really great from the last World Cup. काफी improvements आई हैं but Portugal can go on with a you know 2-goal margin or something. France with the Netherlands. I don't think that France will show why they are France and they will you know make it. Spain Turkey last time हुआ था 6-1 हराया था स्पेन ने. बॉल ही नहीं मिलेगी जब स्पेन ने बॉल ही नहीं देगी तो फिर गुलर खेलेगा कैसे.
और स्पेन के पास ऑफ द बेंच ऑप्शंस भी होंगे. So like Spain will be just one dimensional. Ferran Torres will score a goal.
अगर हम ब्राजील इंग्लैंड की बात करें तो ब्राजील की अगर आप लैकिंग देखें तो वो मिडफील्ड के अंदर है यूजुअली फुल बैक्स के अंदर है. लाइक दे हैव एक्सपीरियंस बट दे डोंट हैव द लेग्स टू यू नो प्ले ओवर देयर. लाइक इंग्लैंड इज सब लाइक लेवल्स अबव यू नो इन मिडफील्ड लाइक राइस बेलिंगम सो मेनी यू नो प्लेयर्स ओवर देयर. एंड टूकल अपना वो शो करेगा कि टूकल हैज डिफीटेड कार्लो एज वेल. आई रिमेंबर अगर अर्जेंटीना पोर्टुगल होता है तो सबको पता है दिस विल बी द फाइनल. अगर ये लेवल्स ऑफ यू नो लास्ट वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल हो जाता है like the France and Argentina game, so this will be the greatest match of all time, like all sports ka. Like this has the
This
potential
will probably be one of the
deliver.
great World Cup matches.
But I do
all
believe
time.
like not from arrogance
This is-
but I do believe that Portugal ki midfield is way above any team in this whole World Cup and Portugal will you know show those standards. अगर वो अर्जेंटीना को हरा देते हैं द करंट वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस दे हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस टू विन इट ऑल. अगर वो हरा देते हैं तो एक और स्टोरी भी तो है ना कि रोनाल्डो इज डिफीटिंग हिज आर्च नेमेसिस ऑफ हिज करियर. That would be
Yes.
another storyline. I do believe Portugal will get a comfortable win. Now moving on to the semi-finals, pretty similar semi-finals हैं. यूरो के भी यही थे. आपके उनके भी सेम थे. क्या कहते हैं नेशनल लीग के भी
France, Spain, England, Portugal.
Do you think कि फ्रांस तीसरे समर लगातार हार रही है स्पेन से?
Yes. Because Spain still have the edge. I think Spain are still a much better, well-rounded, balanced outfit compared to France. Because
But if you look into France का जो season रहा है उनके players का like Olise wasn't you know on this and Saliba wasn't present in the Nations League में Saliba wasn't present. And
Olise has had a sensational season. Sensational.
Olise की अभी हैट्रिक मारी है उसने.
Saliba had a brilliant season.
I do believe that France will edge over and this is the game, you know, finally Mbappe wins over, you know, Yamal and Spain.
and gets there. I do believe that France has like हम उन्हें कर रहे हैं कि France will bottle, France will do this. Spain तो पेड्री ने बोल दिया था after losing the Nation League final के.
Do you think the France manager is leading them to 3 consecutive World Cup finals?
Like आज ये नहीं हुआ, and I do believe it could happen. Like ये सिर्फ आपकी ब्राजील कर चुकी है, and 2 दफा. I do believe ब्राजील ने 2 दफा किया है, and इटली भी कर चुकी है आपकी. So I do believe France is going to the final, but it could be either Spain as well. Could be a close match. Like it will definitely be a close. एक goal का difference होगा. Could at this point even go to penalties. And off the bench strength अगर आप देखें तो I do think so. Spain has a balanced squad, but off the bench strength उनके पास इतना
फ्रांस ओवरऑल जो क्वालिटी ऑफ उनके पास जो डेप्थ है ऑन द स्क्वाड दैट इज मोर एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक स्पेन के अगर हम देखें ऑप्शंस बायना और प्लेयर्स लाइक दैट उनको इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं मिल सका. दे हैवंट बीन कंसिस्टेंटली प्लेइंग. बट
You see,
अगर
they have more quality.
या बारकोला डुए ओलीजे चर्की अगर ऑफ द बेंच भी आ रहे हैं, तुराम आ रहा है आपका, दे हैव लाइक परफॉर्म बैलेंडोर लेवल ऑफ सीजन. आई डू बिलीव कि फ्रांस को अंडरमाइन कर रहे हैं एंड फ्रांस विल शॉक अगेन बाय मेकिंग इट टू द थर्ड फाइनल के अंदर. इंग्लैंड पोर्टुगल 2006 का अगर आपको याद हो, द वेन रूनी रेड कार्ड क्वार्टर फाइनल्स के अंदर,
The Wayne Rooney red card.
then it went-
Ronaldo involvement.
Yeah. I do believe Ronaldo will, step up in this game. A personal vendetta होगा for the English media. And what a time to score, first knockout goal, then a semi-final against England.
Portugal will hope he has already scored that goal.
Yeah.
Lead them up to here.
And Portugal की midfield is not, on par with, like England is just, a notch below. उनके पास वो नहीं है, that.
I think it's a close matchup, and it on their day, who wins the battle, it will be key. Like it could be either way. Like they are both are very good.
England वैसे रही है ना bottlers, on the biggest stage. And Harry Kane either needs to click or he isn't, a great player for England overall because he hasn't performed for England like at the biggest stages.
But
like
Tuchel also finds a way. Tuchel also finds a way.
Yeah, but
The England do have Tuchel. But it's Tuchel record.
the story behind Portugal, beating the World Cup champions and finally getting over that, Ronaldo अपने nemesis को हरा रहा है. And the most lethal player is Ronaldo who has scored or contributed to something in the last game. Ronaldo ने वो last उसने किया था, if you remember, in Nations League, scored against the quarterfinals, then the semi-final and then the final. So I do believe के like बहुत प्रोएटिक होगा रोनाल्डो का अगेन इंग्लैंड को अपने उसके लास्ट वर्ल्ड कप के अंदर बाहर करना एंड देन इवेंचुअली मीटिंग फ्रांस जिससे वो हारे थे लास्ट टाइम अराउंड.
Alright, let's go Portugal.
अगर हम थर्ड ग्रुप स्टेज की बात करें, आई डू बिलीव स्पेन विल ओन इंग्लैंड अगेन. आपको क्या लग रहा है कि थर्ड प्लेस गेम कौन जीतेगा?
I'll say Spain.
It could be England. Like I could easily
It could be anyone. It could be anyone. That's something.
England lost, third place last World Cup में ना 2018 के. Now the final. France, Portugal in the last Euros, Portugal were the better team against France in the quarterfinals. Though they couldn't convert through Ronaldo in that Euro, they need to have another option than goals to Ronaldo till this final. Like Ronaldo can't be doing the one, being the main number 9 and scoring in.
They will need more options.
Yep.
If they find more goals, that's the only way they're reaching till here. Otherwise, they're not reaching till here.
I do believe दो चीजों के ऊपर Portugal ऊपर है फ्रांस से, full backs and midfield. Center backs and attack के मामले में France is a lot better than Portugal. अब इस पर डिपेंड करते हैं कि सलीबा की क्या स्टेट है, and I can see this going to the penalties because ये पहले जा चुका है and पहले Portugal हार चुकी है. And could this be a redemption for Portugal or some? What do you think? Like Portugal जीत रही है, France जीत रही है वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल. Like France again, Mbappe,
Must be very, very tough to ball. Honestly, very tough to ball.
against a goat.
I think Portugal also have good penalty takers. So had France.
Yeah, but Portugal rested Ronaldo last time, against Spain, and still they won the penalty shootout. और अब finally बात करें, France बहुत pragmatic खेलती है. If you remember last World Cup final में भी, they were losing 2-0,
very expressive.
and then the Mbappe show happened, and he had an incredible season with PSG as well that season. Though he couldn't win anything, Madrid ने हार गया उस साल. खैर, this time around he has something to prove. He can win the Ballon d'Or after doing, or either Ronaldo can do it.
He can still show that he is Kylian Mbappe, the
Yeah,
boy
but
who won the World Cup in 19.
but against Ronaldo's performances अभी किसी भी stage पे आ नहीं सकी. Like he hasn't won against Ronaldo, against apart
I
from the
think
names.
Ronaldo has also struggled against France, na? With Saliba and Upamecano, with some strong, good centre backs. Like who have pace, who have agility, who are good in the air.
Yeah, but do you think Ronaldo, who used to own defenders it's the age of tender age of 41, and I do believe Ronaldo is way past his prime, but
I don't think he even beats Saliba, though.
yeah,
I think Saliba
it
is
could
very
be a
good.
penalty for Portugal in winning it. It doesn't matter कि
Yeah,
Ronaldo
that
वर्ल्ड
will
फाइनल
be
में
good.
गोल कर रहा है. It matters कि Ronaldo
Yeah.
बस खेल रहा
Either end.
है.
Maybe France just edge it.
I do believe France can edge it, like 94 Brazil, 98 Brazil lost to France, and then 2002 में वापस जीते. France can redo it and do the 3 times. So it's like Ronaldo reaching the final and losing again. Like another heartbreak for him in the final.
Yeah, each one of us will hurt, but we're right now thinking what is likelier to happen rather than what we want to happen.
Yeah, I do believe कि France का जो attack है that just overpowers Portugal in any, we could say, midfield, defense, or even the attacks. So yeah, that's it. I think France जीत रही है World Cup वापसी, doing 3 back-to-back finals and finally making it over. And Mbappe registering himself as the greatest of all time. A heartbreak for Portugal again. And thanks for listening to this episode. काफ़ी issues थे audio के इस episode के अंदर. Apologies for it from my side, not from Bilal's side. Khair, I will try to improve in next video, the catch-up video to this prediction video, and then the, you could say, bracket challenge we will do afterwards. The group stage progresses वो हम देखेंगे. And thank you for listening and have a great World Cup.